These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really want to meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, 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 for this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No. And ain't nothing social about the media. Try to get deep, but you draw me about the leader. And it's weighing me down. I'm alone in the crowd. Can't fake it now. Can't fake it now. Now you see why I'm exhausted by the thought of hanging out in public just cause it's a look. No, I won't pretend that I had a good time, cause I ain't got the energy. No, 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 for this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got. No, I ain't got. No, I ain't got.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ashley. Today I'm going to be taking a pregnancy test. If you didn't know, me and my husband are trying to conceive for number 2. We already have a 3-year-old. My period's not supposed to start until Saturday on the 16th, but I decided what the heck, these symptoms are driving me crazy, so why don't just take a test. I have been experiencing cramping, pelvic cramping, stomach cramping, back cramping, migraines, a little nausea, tiredness. I just been experiencing symptoms, and I recently just broke out and started crying in the car. I just feel sad today, and I just feel tired and fatigued. I just decided let me just take a pregnancy test. Some girls were lucky enough to, you know, get their results earlier, a few days before their period started. So I just need to do this because it's driving me crazy, guys. But yeah, make sure you guys to subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and take this test. So. Well, I'm in the toilet, guys, my bad. But I'm sitting here looking at the test, and it's saying, y'all, this is currently the results. Negative. I don't see a faint line. I should have never did this. I really should have waited till I missed my period, because I don't want to lose hope. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just really hope that I am right now. Like, I don't want to lose hope. Dude. So what are all these symptoms then? Like, what are all these symptoms that I'm feeling if it says negative? Or am I just taking it too early? Like, I guess I just gotta wait till I miss my period. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I should have listened to my husband, man. I really should have listened to him. He told me not to take the test until I missed my period. But oh, what did I want to do? Oh, I want to see if, you know, maybe I can, you know, show up like the other girls showed up when they did 9 DPO or 10 DPO. You know what I'm saying? So to see this negative, it's kind of discouraging, but I'ma just, like, you know, keep the hope alive and hope that I miss my period. As far as these symptoms that I'm feeling, I'm kind of concerned. I'm gonna, like, I don't know. I'm kind of concerned as to why I'm cramping. But let's just hope that there's a soul in there and that this is just, you know, too early. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all.